Hello people, welcome to Man-Rays Tech Vlogs and more. So this is just going to be a quick house tour, nothing too crazy. So these are my pre-Sonos speakers. This is a pair of two of I think it was £100. I think they were 50-watt bulbs just in here. So one there, one there. This is my I forget what it's called, to be honest. What's it called? I really should know what my tech is called. Is it on the back? Neewer. This is my Neewer bi-color. It's only 60 watts, so not a lot of power, but it's my bi-color Neewer thingy. This is my new, here's my new tripod. I'll put the name in the description. I'll put all of this in the description. I'll find it all. This is my crappy one that I broke, tripod. This is my G9 Lumix Panasonic with my 12 to 60? 12 to 60, I think. I can't remember what it is right now, actually. It's on there somewhere. I couldn't probably find out like right now. Wait, what is it? It's a 12 to... I can't remember. 12 to something. Really good lens though. Aperture of 2.7. Here's my rod mic that I was using. I'm still using to synchronize my audio. This is a Lenovo Gen 3 tablet that I use to monitor myself. So Mac Studio. Not the Ultra, just the Max. M1 Max Studio. 32 gigs of unified memory, 400 and something gigs SSD. Totally forgot about my hard drive bays on the floor. Got a 6 terabyte, 4 terabyte, 4 terabyte, and 4 terabyte in there. Actually, no, I don't. 4 terabyte, 4 terabyte, and 6 terabyte. And this cost me £120. USB-C does the job for my mass storage, and here's my printer. Got a bunch of batteries for my camera because it dies pretty quick. I've got an Asus 4K Pro Art screen. Then I've got a few Sonic and 1440p screen. Both meant to be color calibrated. I don't know if they are. I think they're doing an alright job. I've got an external SSD. Mass storage one to put all my cache stuff on there. Here's my new. So let me go where there's light. See, this is from my phone, by the way, people. When there's light, it's amazing. When there's no light, it's worse than a macro 3/3 camera. So this is my new microphone. Hopefully it's in focus. Let's use this light. There you go. This is my new microphone. Very sturdy, very strong. It's got USB and XLR on there. I'm using the USB right now for that. It's my new one. Still getting used to it. Don't even have software for it. This is my Hollyland wireless microphones. Can I open it in one hand? This one-handed stuff is annoying. But I will tell you the price of these things in a minute. So you can see I have actually been quite conservative to do with my spending. So that's what these are. There you go. I can connect them to my phone or my camera. So it's very good for portability. So these cost £89. That cost £59. This I got for my birthday. This cost £200 used. These cost £100, but it's because I got the Bluetooth version. This was, and that was around 80 quid. This was 120. Tripod over there, £59, £20, £89. Camera, just the body, £400, 50 quid. So, and then this I got used for 1,400. So you would think, oh my days, so much money, but to get a proper screen costs thousands. To get a modern camera, new, costs 2,000 to 3,000. To get a lens, brand new, this one costs 700 new, I got it for 200. This brand new costs £300, I got it for £89. So yeah, I spent money, but in all honesty, these, my headphones that I use sometimes, my missus is in the house, so it's noisy outside. These cost me 150, but they're not for my phone. They don't have noise cancellation. They don't have Bluetooth. It's literally just to listen to what I'm listening to on the computer. Paint cost 50 quid. These were here already in the house in my mum's. Painted, this paint cost the same amount, about 20 quid, cheap as hell. This monitor for my wife, that costs a bit of money, but she needs a monitor, so can't be using a TV screen because it's too big, it takes up too much space. This Bluetooth slash wired speakers for my missus cost 60 quid. This computer I built already. This is a donation from my little cousin, the graphics card inside. The RAM I've had for ages, so didn't buy that new recently. It's had it for a long time. This cooler I've had for about 2 years. That cost then 120. The RAM cost about £20 per RAM stick, so not too much to be honest. The PSU inside, the power supply, got that a long time ago. The case cost a bit, it was 120. So yeah, prices are going up a bit, people. And the desk I've had for like forever. Basically forever. Let's hope there's enough light in here. So this computer here is an older computer. The one that my wife was using originally. It's got an AM4 motherboard in there. It's got an AM4 motherboard in there. And then a old AM4 processor, the 5600, or not 5700. So I got that for £200. It's got a good graphics card built in, so it does all what I need. This is a soundbar that I got about a year and a half ago for about £200. So compared to my Sonos that I returned, that was £500. Very cheap LG screen that I got I don't even know when I got that. Very, very, very long time ago. For I think 350, 50-inch for that much. Amazing colors, can't go wrong. So painted here. All of this is all me. Painted, de-dampened, painted. So that was all me. Another transition, people. Another transition. A lot of stuff I'm forgetting because I've did it so quick. Finally, got a doorbell. Because when you close the door in this house, you can't hear the front door. It's like noise cancellation, but from a distance. So now, both rooms, doorbell. Can hear when deliveries come. Because before, when the door would knock, and you would lock either this door or this door, can't hear the outside. Outside's like another world. So, another useful thing that has been bought. And that's next to my side of the bed. On the floor. Right there. And then another one. Over here. Don't know how this is gonna look with all my randomness, people. Transitions everywhere, out of order too. Whatever, life goes on. This door was off the hinges, as you can see. I put new ones on, as you can see right here. So people who go to toilet in private, I put this lock on so people can go to it in private. Let's get to the fun room. What I've done recently. So I repainted most of the walls in here. Let's use another camera because it'd be nicer. Repainted all these walls. Where there was damp bits, there's still some, as you can see. Got this for 30 quid. Put this back. It's one of my mum's friends' paintings. Well, artwork. I paint behind here because that was all gone. It was all that bad. See that there? See that bit here? It was that bad. So now we've got space behind here. This was peeling off. This sofa bed was over here, where all this mess is. My wife says she's gonna get rid of all this because mostly hers. Found a place for my treadmill, not my studio, because I need space. I ordered this. My wife put it together. I helped her a little bit. This is an old screen that we've had for ages now. Not the best colors, not the biggest, but does the job for what we need, you know, for chilling in the front room. This was for my mum's house. I carried that here. There's some flowers I got for my wife. This is from my mum's house where she's staying now. So if we do want people around for dinner, we're good to go. This is a foldable bed for when people stay around. Let's get into the tech here. This is a router from my Virgin Media internet. I get 120. How much do I get? 500, I think it is. Something. Yeah, I paid for 500, I think. Or was it a gig? I think I paid for a gig. I think I have a gig, but I don't get that speed, obviously. I think the fastest I've seen my downloads is about 100, so happy with that. This is a wireless charger I got on Amazon. This is my Nook, a really, really powerful little computer. It's got, what's it got? What's this one have? There's an Intel something or another and something. The specs are nowhere, so that's good. But I will tell you what's inside. It's got an i5 11th gen with 16 gigs of RAM, DDR4. It's got a 512 SSD inside. I've connected it through mini display. There's Ethernet, and I've got a wireless keyboard and mouse connected to my soundbar that I got ages ago for £120. I'm using Arc, as you can see. It's got Bluetooth, but I don't use the Bluetooth. Got a really nice high-end cable so it doesn't cut out and stuff. Got a subwoofer right here. That is Logitech, by the way. And then a little thing there. So yeah, this is what I've been up to, people. Bit by bit, staying poor, staying broke, but not getting my house to look amazing because that's never been the goal. But to get it to be usable and presentable, at least at the minimum, you know. Kitchen, nothing to be done in here. Kitchen is the kitchen. Toilet is the toilet. And yeah, so that's it, people. Now, let's switch to recording myself quickly on the phone. So, that's what this looks like. This is what I look like, just with no hat and with my phone. Not using my nice one. That's off right now. But yeah, man-rays tech vlogs and more, people. Quick show of the house, what I've been up to, and the tech that's in it. Wish me luck. Share, like, and subscribe. And bloody share, people. Just share it. Don't care if you don't like my content. Share it. Peace.